Are you a beginner looking to start your weight loss journey? Well, you've come to the right place. A beginner's weight loss workout can be a crucial part of your fitness journey. Exercise not only helps you shed unwanted pounds, but also enhances your overall health and well-being. If you're new to working out or have limited experience, this comprehensive guide will provide you with a workout plan to get you started on your weight loss journey. First, let's talk about why exercise is a valuable tool for weight loss. While a balanced diet is the cornerstone of shedding excess pounds, incorporating exercise into your routine can accelerate the process. Here's why. Exercise helps you burn calories, which is a crucial factor in losing weight. The more you move, the more calories you'll expend, creating a calorie deficit, which leads to weight loss. Regular physical activity can boost your metabolic rate, allowing your body to burn more calories even at rest. Strength training exercises can help build lean muscle, which consumes more energy than fat, leading to an increase in your basal metabolic rate. Exercise can help regulate your appetite and cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Physical activity releases endorphins, which can enhance your mood, reduce stress, and decrease emotional eating. Regular exercise can improve heart health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and increase overall well-being. Now, let's move on to the workout plan. This beginner workout plan is designed to ease you into a regular exercise routine and progressively increase in intensity. It includes a mix of cardiovascular exercise and strength training. The plan is structured around a 4-week schedule, but feel free to repeat it or make adjustments based on your progress and preferences. In the first 2 weeks, the goal is to establish a routine. Start with a 20-minute cardio session, followed by a 20-minute strength training session the next day. On the third day, increase your cardio to 25 minutes. The fourth day is an active rest day, where you can engage in light activities such as stretching or yoga. On the fifth day, increase your cardio to 30 minutes, followed by a 25-minute strength training session on the sixth day. The seventh day is a rest day. In the third and fourth weeks, the goal is to progress and build strength. Start with a 35-minute cardio session, and so on. Remember, this is a general guideline, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Happy training!